Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Students, we are 11th chapter of Business Studies of class 12th, and today we are going to discuss functions of marketing. So, basically, there are 12 functions of marketing. Let's discuss one by one. First is gathering and analysis of market information. These functions help the marketer to identify the needs of the customer. Market research becomes the basis of product development, and to conduct market research, the marketer performs SWOT analysis. Then comes market planning. After conducting market research, the marketer has to plan the steps necessary to achieve the marketing objectives under marketing planning. Then comes product designing and development. Every marketer offers a product or services to the customer, but what product or service has to be offered must be planned. The planning part includes the decision like what should be quality standard used in the product, what shape or design would be used. Then come standardizing and grading. Standardization means maintaining quality standard to achieve uniformity in the product, whereas grading means classifying the product on some basis. The base of classification can be size, quality, and other attributes. After that, packaging and labeling. The product is always supplied to customer in the packed form. Packaging refers to designing of packet, wrappers, cartoons which are used to pack the products. Then comes branding. Branding means giving a special name to the product. Company may decide to sell the product in company's name, or they may decide a specific brand name for their products. Customer support services. In present day business and environment, customer is the kingpin in the market, so customer satisfaction is the main motto of every businessman. So a very important function of marketing management relates to developing customer support services. Pricing of product. Price means the money which a customer has to pay to buy a product or service. It is the most crucial element of marketing, as customer is highly price sensitive. Promotion and selling. After production of goods, the marketer needs to offer them to customer. For this, he performs two basic functions: promotion and selling. Then comes physical distribution. Another important function of marketing manager is making plans regarding distribution of goods or services. Physical distribution includes decisions like choice of channel of distribution, maintaining inventory, storage, warehouse, etc. Then comes transportation. So the goods are not necessarily consumed at the same place where these are produced. There is a place gap between the production and consumption. To cover this place gap, the marketer makes use of various modes of transport so that goods can be transferred to different corners of the country. It is not only the finished goods need to be transported, but raw materials and various other inputs are also be transported. Last is storage and warehousing. The goods are consumed and immediately when they are produced. There is a time gap between the production and consumption. So it is necessary to keep the goods in the safe during this time gap, as goods needs to be protected from moisture, insect, thefts. So marketer often maintain their own warehouse godowns to store the product, or they may use public warehouse to keep the goods safe and fresh till they are demanded in the market. The marketer compares various mode of transport on various criteria and select the best and the most suitable to transport raw material, inputs and finished goods. So students, these were the 12 functions of marketing. Once again I am going to repeat them. Listen it very carefully. Gathering and analysis market information, market planning, product designing and development, standardization and grading, packaging and labeling, branding, customer support services, pricing of products, promotion and selling, physical distribution, transportation, storage and warehousing. So students, these are the 12 functions of marketing which are followed in sequence. So students, that's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.